Tappernauts, welcome to my lab, my tornado lab. Check it out, a tornado! One of the most destructive kinds of weather there is. The wind in a tornado is some of the fastest wind on Earth. It can go fast enough to pick up a car and fling it down miles away. And today, we're gonna make a tornado right here in the lab. This is Twister Town. It's a little model town here for our tornado experiment. But it's not gonna be around for long. Say your goodbyes, Twister Town! Ah! Of course, Twister Town is just a scientific model town built to measure our tornado. It's not a real town. Anyways, back to the science. Tornadoes are actually part of a much, much larger thunderstorm called a supercell. Supercells are enormous spinning columns of air. They're so big you could fit Mount Everest inside of a supercell. When part of a supercell starts spinning fast enough, it can start to grow down towards the ground. And if it makes it all the way there, all the way down to the ground, that's called a tornado. Scientists still aren't totally sure of all the specifics of how tornadoes form, which makes them hard to predict and really dangerous. Especially for the residents of Twister Town! Ah! Just kidding, there are no residents of Twister Town. Now back to the science. Even though there's a lot we don't understand about tornadoes, we can still simulate one right here in the lab. Imagine this blender is the spinning supercell thunderstorm. When I turn it on, the water is going to start to spin really fast and form a water tornado. Watch closely and you can see it extend down to the ground. Say goodbye, Twister Town! Look, Tappernauts, the tornado is forming. It's stretching down towards the ground. A tornado. Now that the supercell storm has gone away, is no longer powering the tornado. So the winds slow down and the tornado is disappearing. Along with Twister Town! Ah! Good thing Twister Town was just an experimental model and not a real town with real people. Anyways, there you have it, Tappernauts. Tornadoes!
That was awesome! If you want to learn even more, you can find hundreds more experiments, lessons, and activities by asking a parent to go to tappityapp.com. We can't wait to see you there.